Hey guys, welcome to our learning community. In this video we are going to see why quality control and assurance important in industry. Don't skip the video. Quality assurance, QA, and quality control, QC, are two essential components of ensuring product quality in factories. Quality control is a reactive approach aimed at identifying and correcting defects in products. It involves inspecting products at various stages of production to ensure they meet predefined quality standards. QC activities typically take place during and after production, involving inspections, tests, and evaluations of finished products. Quality assurance is a proactive approach aimed at preventing defects in products. It involves establishing processes and standards to ensure that products meet specified requirements. It involves creating and implementing procedures, guidelines, and policies to maintain consistent quality. Here are some importance of QA and QC. 1. Customer satisfaction. Ensuring product quality through QA and QC measures leads to higher levels of customer satisfaction. Consistently delivering products that meet or exceed customer expectations enhances brand reputation and fosters customer loyalty. 2. Cost reduction. QA and QC help identify and rectify defects early in the production process, reducing the likelihood of costly rework or product recalls. By preventing defects, organizations can minimize waste, improve efficiency, and ultimately reduce overall production costs. 3. Compliance and regulatory requirements. Many industries are subject to strict regulatory standards and quality requirements. Implementing robust QA and QC processes ensures compliance with regulations and standards, reducing the risk of legal penalties, fines, or sanctions. 4. Risk mitigation. QA and QC practices help identify and mitigate risks associated with product quality, safety, and reliability. By proactively addressing potential issues, organizations can minimize the likelihood of product failures, safety incidents, or negative impacts on stakeholders. 5. Continuous improvement. QA and QC emphasize continuous improvement by identifying areas for enhancement in production processes, product designs, and quality management systems. Through feedback mechanisms such as root cause analysis and corrective actions, organizations can drive ongoing improvements in quality and efficiency. 6. Market competitiveness. In today's competitive marketplace, product quality can be a significant differentiator. High-quality products achieved through effective QA and QC strategies can give organizations a competitive edge, enabling them to attract and retain customers in crowded markets. 7. Supply chain management. Implementing QA and QC measures throughout the supply chain ensures that raw materials, components, and finished products meet specified quality standards. This helps build trust and collaboration with suppliers and contributes to overall supply chain efficiency and reliability. 8. Brand reputation. Consistently delivering high-quality products builds trust and confidence in a brand among customers, stakeholders, and partners. A positive reputation for quality can enhance brand value, leading to increased market share and business growth opportunities. Skills always matters. Please subscribe our channel.